Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an external account to your Woodforest Bank account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So to add an external account, there's a couple of ways to do this. So the first way is to do via online banking. So log into online banking. So go to the Woodforest National Bank at woodforest.com, enter your username and password to access your online banking account. And then from there, you want to navigate to external transfers. So go to transfers or payments section, and then look for an option like external transfers or link external account, and then add external account details. So enter the necessary details for the external account, such as the bank name, account number, and routing number. And then you might need to go through a verification process. So Woodforest Bank may initiate a verification process by making small deposits into the external account. And then from there, check the external account for these deposits, which may take a few days. And then once the small deposit appears in the external account, log back into your Woodforest online banking account, enter the deposit amount to confirm and verify the external account. And another way to do this is via your mobile banking app. So go ahead and open up your mobile Woodforest banking app on your smartphone and then log in with your username and password. Navigate to external transfers. So go to transfers or the payment section. Look for an option like external transfers or link external account. And then from there, add external account details. So enter the required details for the external account, including the bank name, account number, and routing number. And then similar to the online banking, Woodforest may make small deposits into the external account for verification. So check that external account for these deposits after a few days, and then once the deposits appear, log back into the Woodforest mobile app, enter the deposits to confirm and verify the external account. And the last way you can do this is just by visiting a branch nearby or call customer service. So visiting a Woodforest Bank branch or call their customer service for assistance in linking an external account, and they will help you with that. You just need to provide the required external account information to the rep and then follow any additional instructions provided by the customer service team to complete the process.